Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable enhanced protection on your Arc browser. Once you're inside the Arc browser, go ahead and click the Arc logo on the uppermost left hand side and then click on settings. From here you want to select your profile. So if you have multiple profiles here within the Arc, you want to ensure that you select the correct one. If you have just one, just go ahead and select that one profile, right? So I'm going to select one here. So from here, go ahead and click on privacy and security. And then you want to go ahead and click on security at the bottom there. From here, you will find the enhanced protection. So go ahead and enable this. As you can see, it is currently set to standard protection, which by default, this is the one that is selected. But if you want to increase the protection, you can go ahead and enable this enhanced protection. As you can see there, it says once you enable this, you will have real-time proactive protection against dangerous sites, downloads, extensions that are based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. So this can be pretty useful if you want to enhance your protection. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.